Good day, viewers. Welcome to Afris Concept TV, your number one reliable channel where you get updated and enlightened on what is happening around you. I appreciate you for the time spent while watching and viewing our channel. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever I drop any video. Uzodinma absent as Southeast governors conclude decision to set up a regional security outfit. Governors of the Southeast geopolitical zone on Sunday said that arrangements have been concluded to launch its regional security outfit soon. The governors also directed state houses of assembly in the region to enact and enable law for the outfit. Ebonyi State Governor Dave Umahi stated this while reading the communique issued at the end of the Southeast Governors Forum. Dave Umahi, who is the chairman of the forum, said that the forum received our Southeast Joint Security Committee and noted as follows: that the Southeast Governors have formed their Southeast Joint Security on July 28, 2019 and inaugurate a committee on joint security on August 31st, 2019. Forum took briefly from the chairman of the Joint Security Committee and are satisfied with all the arrangements that will lead to Southeast Houses of Assembly to enact a law to back the Southeast security programs with a name to the outfit. The forum had written the federal government in this respect, and at an appropriate time, we shall be inviting the federal government to note the delay of our joint security programs. The meeting had the governors of Enugu, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi, and Abia State Governor Ekeze Ikpeazu in attendance. The Anambra State Governor was represented by the Deputy Governor Nkem Okeke, while Chief Hope Uzodinma of Imo State was not in attendance, neither was he represented. Uzodinma is the only governor in the region from the ruling All Progressive Congress. He was only recently out in that office by a ruling of the Supreme Court, which removes Emeka Ihedioha of the People's Democratic Party. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Viewers, what is your take on this news that you just heard and that you just listened to? What do you think Uzodinma has made the right decision by not sending a representative on his behalf? Why do you think it's wrong by not attending this meeting? I think he made a wrong decision. He would have sent a representative to represent him, in this meeting, since he has decided not to be in attendance. Is he the only ruling Imo State governor now? Even if he traveled with Mr. President or any other person, that wouldn't have stopped him from at least sending a representative to the meeting. He's simply showing that he's not competent. Yes, I think Emeka Ihedioha is far better than him. He just came into power, and now look at what is happening. He's trying to say that he's not competent. That is it. Because if he's competent, he would have made an arrangement of sending a representative to represent him at the meeting. He was imposed because he was imposed on the people, and he's doing everything possible to please his masters. Uzodinma is a conditional person, the conditional slave. Let me call it a slave because he's not being guided by those people that brought him in as the governor. Even if he didn't receive any advice from these leaders, he would have used his initiative to see that, okay, since the remaining governors are coming and he will not be in attendance, then let me send a representative that will represent him, so that people of Nigerians or people will not talk, or people of Imo State will not say any bad thing about him. They will know that he is competent and he is ready to rule Imo State. So him not being able to send a representative means he's not competent. Why would they support him to be the governor of Imo State? They won't support him with this thing he has just done. A lot of governors from different states, they came for this meeting, but him alone did not come, and he refused to send a representative. Viewers, what is your own opinion on this news that I just heard? If you have any comment or any contributions, kindly drop it below the comment box, as well as clicking on the subscription button to receive updates. Thank you.